I think I could use a little snack. What is that smell? Oh my goodness. Seriously? Pretty sure these pork chops are from about 13. Oh my, those are, yep, I don't know why we can't throw stuff out in this house. It just needs to sit in the back of the fridge like it's gonna be edible 13 days later. It's gotta go in the garbage. It's not like we hide the garbage in this house. The garbage is literally like right here. It's right here. It's not even that hard.